What if I told you there's a legal way to actually get access to premium Affinity Photo courses for absolutely free? Wouldn't that be awesome? Well, I think so too. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get access to these courses. Now, for instance, we all know Affinity Revolution. She's the biggest Affinity channel and she does videos on Affinity Photo, Designer and Publisher. Her tutorials are absolutely amazing. Now, as you might know, she also does courses. So if you click on this one, courses.affinityrevolution.com, you'll get to this page right here. And you see she does a whole lot of courses on Affinity Photo, but also on Designer and Publisher. But I'm going to focus on Affinity Photo for now. And you can see that all of these courses are actually paid. So they are $35, $35, $35, etc. One more example, if we go to Udemy, for instance, another course website, if you search for Affinity Photo, you'll get lots and lots of results. But I'm going to scroll down a little bit. You find Ellie's courses on here as well. And here she actually charges even more. So $80, 80 euros. But for instance, this course right here, learn the entire Affinity suite, Photo, Designer and Publisher. And this course is 70 euros. Now, I'm going to show you how to access all of these courses that I just mentioned for completely free. And that is by going to Skillshare. And they actually gave me a link. And with this link, you can get 1 month free access to their complete course library. So if I go to Skillshare and I type in Affinity Photo, you will see exactly what I mean. So if you use the link below, you will get access to all of these courses for completely free. And you can see there's Affinity Revolution's courses, so Ellie's courses, Master Adjustment Layers in Affinity Photo, Master Raw Editing, how to create amazing macros, Affinity Beyond the Basics. And as you can see, these are the same courses that she's actually offering on her own website for $35. So if we scroll down a little further, or if we go to all Affinity Photo classes, you will also find courses from other people. If we scroll down a little further, right here, learn and master the Affinity Suite, Photo, Designer and Publisher. And if we go back on Udemy, you can see that this course usually is $70 or 70 euros in this case. But as mentioned, if you use the link below this video, you will actually get 1 month free access to Skillshare, their complete tutorial or course library. Now, I can almost hear you thinking like, all of these amazing courses, I can access them for completely free. What is the catch? So the catch is that if you use the link down below and you create your Skillshare account, you will actually have to fill out your credit card details or PayPal details, so your card will be on file. The great thing is that Skillshare makes it super clear that this is a free trial, and if you don't want to continue using their service, that you can cancel it. The thing is, you have to cancel your account 24 hours before the trial ends. And so I've confirmed this with one of my members, or actually a mod of my community, which is called Affinity Photo Creatives. And inside of this post, I basically summarized this video. This was 1 month ago, so they have early access. So if you want that too, join the community. But one of my mods, she actually went through the process and she said, I've just had an email from Skillshare reminding me that I have 1 week left of my trial, and in it they state quite clearly that I need to cancel at least 1 day before if I don't want to pay the subscription fee. But of course, if you want to continue, you can pay the fee. Now, what is the fee? The fee actually differs per country or per region. So let me actually show you. I'm logged into Skillshare, and if I go to account settings right here, I can go to membership and payments, and here I see what they will actually charge me. So for my region, which is the Netherlands, the yearly charge will be 84 euros. So that is an annual subscription. And I will be charged on November 29, 2024. So if I don't want to renew my subscription, I can unsubscribe, let's say, or cancel my membership on November the 28th, or preferably November the 27th to be on time. Now, how does this work? It is super simple. So you go to your profile, you go to membership and payments, and you actually just click cancel membership. If you continue with cancellation, I'm not going to do that. But if you do so, you can simply cancel your subscription, or your free trial, I should say, and you won't be charged. So if you want to get access to all of these amazing courses from Ellie, all of these amazing Udemy courses as well, then definitely go check out the link below. It is completely free. You'll get 1 month and have fun creating amazing stuff in Affinity Photo. See you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.